I just got home from work and my house is a mess. That's new. I got that yesterday, picked it up. It was a 40-minute drive. These boots came in today. I'm keeping them. Have to put that away, make my bed. Replacing the light fixture today. Put that away. I need to organize that. Find the place to put this. This used to be in my room. That needs to go. I brought this little island up from the basement the other day, and my goal is to put everything that's in here and move it there so that my space over there looks a little less cluttered. This is the box from the light fixture that we put up in my daughter's room yesterday. The dishwasher needs to get started. I do need to go through my mail. I need to move the wet clothes and dry them and put my dry clothes away. I'm going to make me some coffee so I have some energy to get this all done. I do have a volleyball game to go to later, so I have to get ready for that as well. I just got home from work and I wanted to show you guys what I have gotten done. New light fixture is up. It's very pretty. I ordered some new curtains and I'm getting a new bed. I would like to change out these end tables because they're not gonna match the bed I'm going with. The sheets are washing. Everything that was here is cleaned up. This table I cleared off. I'm very proud of myself. I don't need this anymore. I decluttered some of my shoes. These are gonna go in the basement if I don't wear them this winter. They're going. The old light fixtures are in these boxes. I need to give them away. I still have to put the drawers back in to this island. I wonder if I can take out those shelves. If I could, that would be great. One of these days I'm going to reupholster this chair, but for now I have to keep the blanket. Otherwise I would get rid of it because I feel like without the blanket and the pillow it would look clean all the time. The sheets are in the dryer. Kitchen is clean. I just have to wipe down the surfaces. Have you guys seen anyone do this before? This is giving me Pottery Barn style vibes. I'm loving it. So I have swept behind there and cleaned behind there. When you're cleaning and you're moving things, don't forget to do that because dust accumulates so fast. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love how clean this looks. When you have a bunch of shelves in your house with things in it, it makes your house look cluttered. Unless it's in a cabinet with doors. You can totally use this as a console table, entry table, behind the sofa table, or a coffee station. I have to clean all this up, and that's all that I'm doing today for now. Let me know if you guys are still using your very first Keurig, or am I the only one? Alexa, What are my notifications?
One new notification. From Amazon Shopping. Curtains has arrived.
Okay, these are going to look so pretty over here. What do you guys think?